This is a quick video to show you how to use the markup tool in Aras. First, you'll locate the document that you want to mark up. You can do this for CAD documents or other documents. And if you don't see a second or third item on this left-hand side here, just save your document and it will generate a viewable in a couple seconds. And when we click on it, here's our viewable. You can zoom in and out. That's pretty extreme. Let's see if we can fit it a little bit better. Well, I guess it is what it is. And you'll want to find this little markup pencil here. And once you click on it, you're in markup mode. You can do things like make highlights. And by the way, if you say, oh, I want to change this highlight to include this text maybe, you have to exit the tool. So you have to go back up here and get out of the highlight so that you can make changes to that markup. There's also tools like the pen that you might want to come circle something. And without an explanation, this might not mean a whole lot. So over on the far right here is the discussion panel. And you can add a comment. And make sure include snapshot is checked. I'll show you why in a minute. And you can flag someone too. If you say @ and then you click the person that you want to notify, I'll show you what that does in a couple seconds. I'll leave that out for now. And the first comment, for me at least, makes the screen go blank. So I have to go out to the Form tab and switch back to the markup page. Not exactly sure why. Now let's see if we can fit the height. There we go. If you can't fit the extents or zoom in and out, you can do this width and height, which I actually just learned. Back in the markup tool, what I like to do, and you've probably seen this, I like to take this label and any positive feedback, I'll put in green. So down here, maybe I'll put a number 1, and then over in the comment, I'll say 1, and then make my comment. Red might be used for something that's not ideal or you have a question on. Actually, question, you might even do something like orange. So I might say, where did this dimension go? Again, include snapshot and comment. And so each time you have a markup, you'll get one of these discussion items here with a little thumbnail, and you just click on the thumbnail to see the feedback. So you can switch between those thumbnails. And then just save your document and this markup goes with it. If I go back out here, what you will see is under My Innovator, My Discussions, this will show any comments that I've made or any comments that somebody else made that they flagged me in. And again, I can click on these thumbnails and it'll bring me right into it. So that's kind of nice. If I go over here and switch to the tabs, it'll bring me back to whatever snapshot. Actually, that seems to be the same snapshot. So it goes back to the document, but not maybe the exact discussion thread for that screenshot. So that's how you create some quick markups in Aras.